What it do, TT babies? I'm back with another video, and I'm here with
Mila
and
Shay.
And what are we doing today?
The spicy noodle challenge.
Drenched in some hot sauce. Whoever can't finish their soup has to get a spoonful of hot sauce from the other two people. So like if if she can't finish it, we get to choose what she eats. If I can't finish it, they get to choose what I eat. If she can't, then I get to choose what she eats. Okay, so we have water too, because no one's finna die around here. Okay, let's go.
This chair is mad full.
We'll do it on 3. 1, 2, 3. What's your problem?
Is it hot?
You don't even have the same hot sauce as us.
Hot. What hot sauce do I have?
Valentina, like you asked for.
I thought everybody was doing that.
No, we got some whole different thing. Dragged it.
Bro,
so one
hot.
bite is not that hot.
It's hot.
You have to put a spoonful of that in your mouth, so you better finish it. I'ma finish it. Mama. No, I can't even go back there. Y'all see my juice? It's right there. Can't even go back there and get it. My jaw feels weird.
It feels so much. It feels so mushy. Yo, bro.
That sound like dogs.
Yo, what? It's so mushy. Ew, I hate the texture. You gonna finish all your water before you think. I'm not looking at you.
Camera girl.
Why am I blowing it?
That's not even like hot, it's just spicy.
Yeah, why is it so cold? Oh, the Valentine was in the fridge.
So it was all the other hot sauces.
I'm just gonna drink it. I'm not even chewing this.
No crazy.
Oh, we should have what's called? We should have done the thing like you can't drink water.
I know, but then Mila drank the first bite, so I just forgot. How about this? Now we can't drink water.
Okay. No.
Why not?
No, I don't want to do it because y'all got more drinks than me.
So get a drink.
I think my stomach, I'm gonna want to poop. Oh.
After that, we can do it. Can we do it?
No, like imagine lava coming out.
You said you
Always like put a lot.
I don't drench it, and it's never.
I said I was gonna drench it. Duh, it's not gonna feel like that. You use it in the cup of noodles.
I'm almost done, guys. Yeah.
This is nasty, yo. It don't even taste good.
This is really nasty. It's like mushy.
Exactly.
You shouldn't have
You
never
haven't
attempted
ate it. Eat it.
Do you not see
You
that?
ate some. Eat it.
Okay, you ate some too. Eat it.
No, like you've been just watching us.
Because I actually you guys struggle. Back away.
And if I do throw up, I'm gonna throw up on you.
No, you're not.
I'm big.
My poop gonna come out as fire today.
That's disgusting.
Oh well, everybody poops. Ew.
What?
No, I'm about to just drink. No, I can't do it. I don't think I can do it no more.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Excuse me. I don't usually say it because I don't really care if you hear me burp.
If none of us finish it, we each have to take a spoonful.
Of something, right?
Hot sauce.
Yo, my stomach got.
No,
ooh.
bro, not hot sauce, because we already have hot sauce.
Ooh,
That's tough.
My stomach.
Something else.
No.
My stomach, yo.
I'm gonna just wash out too. If you're not done, I'm gonna eat all of this, because I'm not drinking hot sauce.
I'm not drinking hot sauce. Ew, you wildin'.
What are you laughing at?
You.
Why is this here?
Don't throw up. Don't throw up for me.
No. Remember, I can't do it. I'm done. I can't do it. I cannot do it.
I ain't drinking no hot sauce. You wildin'. Yo, I'm on FaceTime with people. I'm gonna talk to them. Yo, say what I want. Say what I want. Eat all of this. Say it. Thank you. Ooh, I eat all of it. Made a little bit.
Can we just like drink something else?
Yo, open that bowl if you got to. Don't throw up on this carpet.
Dang, man, it's just me. Dang, bro. The whole thing has to be done and can have a little bit left.
Like those little scraps.
Okay. My belly.
I need my juice. Can you go get my juice?
But my tan line started showing. When I went to pick something, emoji or something. No, actually, can we pick something else?
Right.
Not hot sauce. Cause I don't think my stomach I am.
So what? What is with you like? So what? You gonna put the powder in your mouth instead? No, cinnamon.
I'll do cinnamon. Cinnamon is actually really good.
Okay.
No, what was it? The challenge, cinnamon.
She thinks it's good. Let her be. She's gonna do cinnamon. Let her be.
No, it was cinnamon and something else.
No, it wasn't. It was salt and ice. Cinnamon was by itself.
And then you put it in your mouth and then you. Yeah, I know the challenge. I did it before with Shane. Oh.
It was something else. You have to drink it with something.
No, it was banana and Sprite.
I never had banana and Sprite. I
Me
didn't know
neither.
that was a thing.
I had the cinnamon. I threw up in the tub.
What? You put it in your mouth. Never mind. Never mind.
That's why I did. That's why I told her to shut up. Cause I didn't want you to know. Cause it tastes good, right? Okay, so what?
We could do
Your stomach grumbling.
We should do.
What is you looking at?
We could do something outside, like something we do outside, like scream something outside. Or something.
No, that's whack.
Not when I do it.
I don't care.
I'm funny.
I'm not going outside.
My mouth is burning.
Oh, yeah. I could be funny.
But they said I won't.
We doing hot sauce. Y'all can't think of nothing.
No, bro, not
Y'all
hot
can't think of
sauce.
nothing, so we doing hot sauce.
Why don't you try to think of something?
I said cinnamon. Y'all don't want to do cinnamon either?
I never said that.
Okay, so we'll do cinnamon. So, change of plans. We're doing cinnamon instead of hot sauce for the mouthful.
Right.
You got a problem. You gotta control that. You don't have to take every last little scrabble.
Oh.
No cheating either. Because you look like you about to do something sus.
Looks like I'm eating cinnamon.
It looks like we're all eating cinnamon.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, I know.
Water can't even fix how my stomach is feeling right now, bro.
This water ain't even doing justice. Like, I still got my mouth burning.
My stomach feels
My stomach, exactly, bro. It feels so.
in my throat.
I got some weak stomachs.
You eating all of it?
You gonna do it. Slow and steady, running the
Do
race.
it for the YouTube. Hey, do it for the YouTube.
Get
Come
out
on.
of here. Shut
do
up.
it for the YouTube. Do it.
I do it on my own timing.
I actually thought I was gonna finish this, but it's not.
No, man.
They were so confident before the video.
Like, I didn't know how it would make my stomach feel. That's
I didn't know you was gonna drench it.
My stomach is off it, bro. Like,
I'm not doing this. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get the cinnamon and some spoons. So our mom said we can't do cinnamon because she saw them people choking on that cinnamon. So my sister just went to go get some mustard and she'll be back right now.
I got mustard. All of us hate mustard. Even, bro. Don't even
Even
Jack
on hot
we
dogs
like.
or nothing like that.
Don't even Jack we like mustard. All of us hate it. Here. We're doing this because we're not doing no hot sauce and we can't do cinnamon.
Bro, I can't even open this thing.
I don't hear nobody. They faking. They faking. None of us like mustard.
Hello. Let me get this.
Absolutely hate it. See, this is so sweet.
Come up.
We have to do a full thing since like we didn't do any of the other one things.
Ew. You hear my stomach?
Yes. You gotta
She
poop.
said do lemon.
Alright, that's good.
But I was like, I could just do that. Like,
We're doing it on 3.
Yeah. You have to do it. Here.
This is my mustard.
You got the same amount as hers. It's just flat. Yeah, I'm shaking just holding this thing, bro.
Don't taste good. I hate mustard, bro.
mustard is the.
If you gotta spit in your bowl. Milo, get in the camera. Oh yeah, just to say I'm not this short. She's sitting on a really high chair and I'm sitting on the lowest chair. I didn't want to give her the lowest chair because she's short, so.
I'm gonna give her the highest, but those chairs aren't comfortable. Yeah, because none of us finished the thing.
Okay. Oh, my leg itches.
Boy, you don't know how this
We're
thing's
doing it on
making
3?
your stomach
Yeah.
feel. It's like when you have mad grub.
Okay. I'm not going to talk to you. Ready? Set.
Wait.
Oh my God. Ready? What you doing? What you doing?
3, 2, 1, go.
What are you doing?
Right. This is a reaction.
Go. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'll be back.
Ew. She fell running to the door. I'm scared now.
That's what I did it before.
You swallowed it?
Yes.
There you go.
Say with the wind. And you did it on camera.
So guys, I couldn't do it. It was really too disgusting when I fell.
They spit it out. I didn't. I just swallowed it. It's yo. I still taste it.
Right. So guys, I couldn't do it. I ran and I fell.
That was
Yeah.
funny. I laughed so loud. That was nasty.
Did you show them me?
No, I swear to God, I thought you died because you were on the floor.
She had mustard coming out of her mouth. Yo, bro, I thought she got a seizure. And the her eyes just closed. She's like,
Alright, it's done.
No, it's not.
It's not.
She was over here. She was like this. Imagine me with mustard right here. And my eyes closed. She goes. Bro,
Ew, the mustard is still in there.
where would it go?
Like,
Where would it
disappear,
go?
vanish.
It's not funny anymore.
Him.
Oh, is that it?
Is that mustard? It's mustard.
I literally drank. I was not with it.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Hope everybody's doing good in this quarantine, Bob.
And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, stay safe. Yeah.
If you don't, the door. Bye.
See y'all later.